This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Katie Howlett. Charming 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom first-floor unit, only a few stairs to get into the unit, with an open floor plan, private balcony, lovely oak floors, French doors and high ceilings. Heat, water and trash included in monthly condo dues. This home is in close proximity to the shops and restaurants of both Colley Avenue and 21st Street and EMDS, CHKD, Sentara Heart Pavilion. This condo comes with 1 dedicated parking spot. For more information, review the details below.